SRPT is showing some amount of strength within the longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower. It's up, as you can see, 12.61%. This is Thursday, the 12th of August, 2025. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, so the stock is once again in the spotlight with traders buzzing about the potential for a short squeeze and renewed optimism from the company's financial outlook. The excitement follows a string of major corporate developments, including a strategic equity sale, $100 million milestone payment, and fresh signs of pipeline progress. The company announced that it has sold its $104 million equity stake in Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, with $50 million of that stock redeemed directly by Arrowhead to pre-fund half of Sarepta's milestone obligation. The remaining $50 million milestone payment was triggered by a safety review underscoring progress in Sarepta's RNAi collaboration with Arrowhead. Adding to the momentum, Sarepta confirmed plans to release a preliminary phase 1 of 2 data for SRP-1003 in the second half of this year, a potential catalyst that could further solidify its leadership in rare disease and gene therapy treatments. The company's recent moves have fueled speculation of share buybacks, which, combined with analyst upgrades, have led some investors to predict a significant rally in the near term. Market sentiment has been influenced by surprising regulatory twists. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announced the return of Dr. Vinay Prasad as head of FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research just 2 weeks after his sudden departure. Prasad has been known for pushing higher drug approval standards, a standard that had put him at odds with biotech investors. His initial exit in late July was seen as a bullish signal, particularly after the FDA reversed his earlier decision to halt shipments of Sarepta's gene therapy, Elevidys, for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Shipments shipments resumed for certain patients just days before Prasad left. While Bulls see this confluence of events, cash inflows, milestone achievements, pipeline updates, and easing regulatory pressure as the makings of a breakout, not everyone is convinced. Some traders warn of potential pullbacks given the stock's recent run up and its history of sharp volatility. With earnings season volatility, a potential short squeeze setup, and a rapidly shifting regulatory backdrop, Sarepta is now firmly on the radar of both long-term biotech investors and short-term momentum traders. The next few weeks could prove pivotal for its trajectory. Okay, so intraday high in this pre-market session or post-market session is $23. So let's see what we have here. This is the daily chart, not active at the moment, but we have downward projections now 20.88, 20.09. So let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart is currently active, and what do we have? We have strength. The current strength is extrapolated to remain in place up till 19th of Tuesday, the 19th of August. And after that, we might see some distributive contraction somewhat. And then after that, by Friday the 22nd, we might see a bounce. In terms of projections currently in play, we have 19.45. It's a downward projection. Is it? Let's see. Yeah, 19.45 is a downward projection currently. 20.76, and then 21.56. 21.56 is an upper projection. And let's see. Yeah, before now, as of Tuesday, it had some further downward projections: 14.04, 14.8, 16.03. As of Thursday the 7th, it had 17.24 down projection, upper projections 28.84, 33.99, 37.17. Yeah, so let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating. It's everything is strongly bullish. Everything is strongly bullish. Nothing to the downside, indicating that it is pushing on to higher prices. It's pushing on. It's standing on solid ground. It has standing on the backing of buyers. Yeah, standing on the backing of buyers, or showing strength with the backing of other buyers as well. All right. Yeah, showing strength with the backing of buyers. Yeah. Let's have a look. We could try and see what's going on with its market grid. It's going to give us an impression of the sort of range that it can trade in as things stand right now. So this will give us the prevailing range that it has the potential to trade in. So we have between 19.51, and the current price is 21.21. So the stock is at okay. So the stock is somewhere here. So it's getting, if you like, it's getting too strong. It's getting too strong. So at this point, expect a pullback to occur as well. At the same time, as well, you could also expect that since it has gotten here, it is also certain that it has the momentum to, go ahead and print higher prices. Maybe even attempt to print. Let's see now, what could that possibly be? Attempt to print 23. Oh, it has actually printed. It got a rejection at 23. Maybe retest 23. Retest $23, and maybe towards let's see, 26. So that could mean one of those two things. It's either it's getting too hot, or by some standards, some traders will be taking their profits if they got in at a lower price. At this sort of level, they will be taking profits. But at the same time as well, you could also extend the run. Let's see. Let's have a look at just quick glance at some of these minute charts. Let's see what we have here. 20.8, nothing. None of these projections are they're all lower than the $23, which is the rejection we have just seen. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. 2 minute chart, we have nothing to the upside, nothing higher than what we have already seen. Oh, they're all downward projections. We want to see anything greater than 21 towards 23, or even greater than 23. Yeah. Current price is 21.21. Yeah. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. 21.97. Okay, slightly higher than the current price. So, but in any case, we've seen high prices already. We've seen high prices already. Yeah. So yeah, this is the pre-market session of today, the 14th of August. Hasn't started yet. So if it's not active now, if the stock is not, if it's not actively trading, it shouldn't be out of place. Yeah, yeah. Just have a look and see what you make of SRPT, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.